Here we go again. So this activity 2 tutorial for installing Windows Server 2016. So first, open our VMware workstation. Click in new virtual machines or machine rather. So next, so I'm gonna click. I will install operating system later. Okay, so next, and then in this guest operation system, so we choose Microsoft Windows, and the version we click is I'm gonna click Windows Server 2016, and then after that is next. Click next. So I'm I'm gonna default this location and this virtual machine name. So next. So I'm gonna default again for maximum disk size, and I'm gonna click the store virtual disk a single file. So just click and then next. After that, just click finish. Okay. So done. So first is we will click this edit virtual machine settings. Okay. And then after that, so memory just default. Okay. Processor just one processor, and SATA not just okay. So just click OK. Okay, and then after that, so just install Windows Server 2016. Okay. So I just Windows Server 2016. Just click the first, and then download the ISO. Hey, just break. Get started for free, and then just click, and then so we fill up this registration. Okay. Fill up. So Daniel Valverde, Daniel Valverde. That page. PSU. Region, Philippines. Size. Yan. Charo. Student. And then just download now. Okay. Philippines. Just click Philippines. Download now. Okay, and then we're gonna choose this one. English US. Okay. 64-bit edition. And just wait. Okay. And then we have and so you will see the downloading is already done. So go back to VMware. So for again, you click edit virtual machine settings, and then SATA use ISO image file. So browse, and then go to the download folder. Okay, so go to the download, and then you will see this this Windows Server 2016 data center. So just open, and then okay. And so if you set this, so click the power on virtual machines. So just wait. Okay. Just click enter. For setup, so just wait. Okay. So we just click next, okay, and then I'm gonna click install now for setup and install our Windows Server 2016. Be patient for waiting. So click this data center evaluation experience, and then next, and accept the license terms. Next, and then just click this custom, and then click new for, and first we gonna 20,000. Apply, okay, just click okay, and just click okay, and then this is new, and apply. Okay, and after that click this divided portion 4, and click next. So installing again. So next is installing updates. So yan, our Windows is gonna restart na. And just wait for enter any key, I think, and so enter any key for that, and just wait. Okay. Our installation is almost done. Just wait. So our so the password is admin 123456 admin 3456. Check. So enter again admin. Let's check. Okay. Okay. So click finish. The password doesn't. Okay. Coco Melon 123. Big letter C. Coco Melon 123. Okay. Coco Melon 123. Coco Melon 123. Let's click finish. Finalize your settings. And just wait. Again. So click the Control Alt Delete. So here. And then click type Cocomelon for our password. Coco 123. So let's check Cocomelon 123 and so done, and this is the end. So this is the end of our Windows Server 2016 installation. Okay.